Yeah. All right, guys. Another trade. Let's open another trade first before I start. So, welcome everybody. If you are new to this channel, subscribe, and you can watch our career trading binary option using our strategy, the binary strategy, on this channel. We've been sharing with you our story and how we trade our binary option trading. We use our strategy, the binary strategy. You can learn this strategy from the course in the description below. Yeah. Um. So if you've been a follower to this channel, you know that in this channel we use the binary strategy, and we share our strategy, personal strategy, to the public by selling our course. In the course, you will find everything about the binary strategy, and you must understand that this strategy is not magical strategy that will turn you into millionaire. Nothing is guaranteed in binary option. Please understand that in binary option you can risk your money. You will risk it on your own responsibility. You need to understand that you can't trade with money you can't afford. So that's, yeah, the first win. That's the most important thing. You need to understand that that's the most important thing. You need to understand that good career in trading binary option, you must trade and learn on demo account. Never use your real money at the beginning. Yeah, as you can see, I'm starting my trades here on my real, or not my real account, my client's account. You can do the same. You can start trading on your client account. For the moment, we are not taking any clients because we reached the maximum number of the clients this year. Yeah, so we trade for our clients. You can trade for yourself. You can learn a good strategy, a strategy that would let you avoid taking losing decisions. Let's take this trade, and yeah, a strategy that will help you make good decisions, strategy that will help you avoid losing decisions, make wins, avoid bad markets, and so on. Yeah, our binary strategy is one of the best strategies. We use the strategy to trade binary option, but there's plenty of strategies out there. If you can't afford purchasing our course, you can create your own strategy, but it will take you a lot of time trading, learning, studying. It took us a long time to finish up our strategy, and yeah, now we are using it. As you can see, you will think that this is simple, but this is years and years of hard time, hard practicing, learning, spending nights on learning our strategy, on developing our strategy, making it better all the time. So yeah, yep. Let's go ahead, guys, learn the strategy. I wish everybody who start a good career in trading binary option. You must understand that binary option is so risky, guys. You can lose your whole money or your whole balance once. So please be careful. Please trade on demo account. Never use your real money if you are not 100%. You need to be 100%, not 90%, not 80%. You need to be 100% sure that you will win your next trade, and you will make a win from the next position you open. So please be careful. Never use your real money if you're not 100% and you don't know how to use your strategy. I don't know if you have a good strategy. Make it 100% sure that this strategy will make you a lot of money. So yeah, I hope that everybody will become a good trader. There's plenty of opportunities with, yeah, as you can see, we reached $130 in just 5 minutes. So there's plenty of opportunities in trading binary option, trading forex, trading stocks, cryptocurrency. There's plenty of chances over there. Yep. I think we still have more chances on the New Zealand USD, New Zealand dollar, USD, NZD, USD. Yeah, this one is going up. As you can see, I put everything I have. All the money I have, I put it all. Because I'm 100% sure that this one is going up. If you're not 100% sure, please be careful. Please be careful. Don't open any trade if you're not 100% sure that you are going to make wins. I guess we had enough this moment. I need to stop the recording and I need to stop trading. I guess yeah, I will stop. Because once you learn the strategy, you will understand why I will give up, right? I will give up right.